Guys, it's Ian from Big Tex Ordnance. Welcome to the weekly update. We have LMT coming out of our nose. We got uppers, lowers, barrels, rails, small parts, big parts. Let's look at them. We're in the barrel aisle, in the upper aisle. We have 556 barrels, 308 barrels. We got 270 barrels in. We got DI, we got piston. Look at these. 308 mono uppers. Look at these. Quad uppers. Any LMT that you've ever wanted, it's in stock right now on the website. We got chunky boys. I'm gonna have to make sure I put those back in the right spot. Come over on this side. We got more over here too. Look at these. Look at these. More quad. More quad rail. It's beautiful. You can't go wrong with LMT. Barrels. We got barrels. One more aisle over. Small parts. We got bolts. Lower parts kits, including the trigger. BCGs and charging handles. Look at this case of SOPMOD stocks. Black, FDE. We have more LMT than your grandma does. Come on, we're going somewhere else. We have what your mom always wanted. Noob tubes. Look at that. Oh, there's something down there. There's a plug in it. Tubes. A few different sizes of those. We got frames. I need a frame. Somebody give me a frame. We got the 308 frames. Guys, LMT is on the website in stock. Check it out. Come on, we're gonna go finish in here. Guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, drop us an email, shoot us a link. Thank you. Be safe. Send us lunch. Send us your mom. I miss you. I love you. Check out the website for LMT. We got everything. Flashlights. Those aren't LMT, but we got flashlights, suppressors, rifles, anything for your firearm needs. BigTexOrdnance.com. Peace, love. I miss you. Doesn't get any better than that. Does not get any better than that. Doesn't get any better than that.
Ian.
That is peak LMT, Ian.